and welcome to GFX Law Enforcement Vehicles. Our goal is to provide law enforcement the most reliably built police vehicles on the road. We have teamed with Dodge since 2015 on the Pursuit vehicle lineup, providing upfit services to Dodge and Mopar for their OEM product offerings. These include wire harnesses, power distribution centers, ballistic door panels, front seat stab panels, vinyl wraps, consoles, and spotlights, making us an extension of Dodge's assembly plant. We have collaborated with the industry's leading suppliers to develop a product group that accentuate the strengths of the vehicle, providing comfort, convenience, and safety, allowing officers to concentrate on their important job of protecting and serving the public while on patrol. Our commitment to the highest standards of quality control, industry best practices, and build integrity assure our customers that when it's time to perform their duties, they can count on their vehicle. We carry forward the processes, protocols, design, and development that make us a Tier 1 automotive supplier. Our express order program was developed to take the mystery out of designing and building a police vehicle. We have chosen lights, siren systems, partitions, push bumpers, and other options that are designed and engineered to provide better fit, finish, and functionality over the competition. We at GFX provide a comprehensive package of upfits and equipment that is focused on officer and public safety and practical in its application. So let's take a look inside GFX Law and see how the products that you've come to trust are built.
One thing that separates GFX and GFX Law from others is the wide array of resources we have, whether it is paint, e-coat, graphics, IT, electrical and mechanical engineering and design, plastic and metal manufacturing, wire and harness manufacturing, supply chain or logistics experts, or even ASE and EVT certified technicians. We have it all virtually at our fingertips. The average upfit will require 100 to 200 inspection points to reference. Like many world-class manufacturing facilities, both our first-time quality and our end-of-line quality is priority one with our customer. In our design and engineering processes, we have some very talented departments who contribute to the front-end decision-making of who, what, where, and how the entire process will work. We have a dedicated team of mechanical and electrical engineers who work side by side with our process engineers and industry expert teams to ensure both a robust, safe, and thoughtful packaging to the equipment, but also that performance and ergonomically it will meet the end user's specifications. Some of the critical areas they are targeting are reassembly of critical safety components, and those containing safety-rated torque specs such as safety belts, seat anchor points, and electrical grounds. Each work order is required to be signed off on by the operator and quality team member for each critical operation they were responsible for. Not only do these folks contribute to a professional pre-planned layout of the upfit, but they have also worked on some industry solutions and products that not many shops have the ability to solve. Things like vehicle-specific custom injection molded housings for emergency lights, storage and equipment mount solutions, custom weapon mounts, door check straps for weighted doors, numerous lights and speaker mount solutions, plug-and-play harnesses for siren lighting control, and much, much more. Each vehicle that passes through our process is granted a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty for both parts and labor.
We're really excited about the future. We've got so many new projects that we're working on. We're looking at innovative ways to upfit police vehicles, what the equipment should be, how to make it more integrated with the vehicle, and allowing the officer to do his job with less input to the vehicle.